Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to log out from TikTok on app step by step. First, go to TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy option. Then you need to scroll down. You can see the last option is Logout. Tap on the Logout button. Tap on the Logout button again. Thus, the process of logging out from TikTok on app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.